Let's cover skincare for beginners today with oily skin. Now, the basic framework that we are again referring to is cleanse, treat, nourish, and protect for daytime, which means you start with cleansing. During your bath, use a body wash that contains a salicylic acid. It has to be gentle, pH balanced. After cleansing, move on to treat, and this treat is again only if you have a skin problem. You use a salicylic acid if you have acne, and if you have pigmentation or dullness in your skin, use a vitamin C serum. After this, we move on to nourish. Nourish for oily skin is only if you've used a treat step, otherwise completely skip it. You want to use a moisturizer that has ceramides and niacinamide in it so that it seals in the serum properties. After this, we move on to the most important step of the day, which is your sunscreen and protect. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen which is SPF 30 minimum and a PA 4+ rating. If possible, use an antioxidant sunscreen. After this, we move on to the nighttime routine. Nighttime routine also begins with cleanse. Use a gentle pH balance cleanser which has a salicylic acid or a niacinamide in it. And if you are using makeup, please do double cleansing with a micellar water before your cleanser. After this, move on to treat step. Again, only if your skin has a problem. For acne over here, we will add azelaic acid and probably a retinol in liposomal form. And for pigmentation, we will use a kojic acid if you're above 18 and an alpha-arbutin if you're below 18. After this will come the nourish step. Nourish step has to be done irrespective of whether you've treated your skin or not. Use a ceramides-based moisturizer which also has a niacinamide or a hyaluronic acid for extra hydration. Remember, oily skin also requires moisturization. Controlling oiliness in people with oily skin is important, and therefore use a clay mask with salicylic acid and sulfur in it at least twice a week. So that's your routine for oily skin in the day and in the night. If you like it, please share it.